Ladies and gentlemen, Premises 187 here. It is time. It is time to give the NC700 a new breath of life. And what we're going to do is we're going to fit this bad boy. It's the Blackwidow exhaust, full carbon fiber system. Full system carbon fiber, baby. I'm sure you've seen the previous video on this. Hoping you have. So what we're going to do is pull off old stocky boy here. Okay, and just take the pipe off. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So, step one. As you see, I've already gotten started with this. Bolts out already, and there's a bolt here. There you go. That's how you get the stock exhaust off. And if you've purchased a slip-on exhaust, this is all you have to do. Just pull that off and then pop the new slip-on on there. But no, we're not doing slip-ons today. We're doing full systems. Next step, this piece of plastic here, which I will be replacing with a stainless steel skid plate. It's just 2 bolts, so 1 bolt here, 1 bolt on the other side, and then you've got 2 lug holes that come out just by pulling it. I'm trying to keep this quick, guys. I'm trying to keep this quick. It's about 2 minutes and we've already almost had this done. So as you see under there, that is the catalytic converter. That's the thing that's going to be dampening a lot of the exhaust sound, so we want to change that for the full stainless steel system we have here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, O2 sensor, check. Okay, so we have 3 bolts up at the top here, 1 just behind there, and I believe that as well. There's only only 4 bolts. So one thing I like about the Honda NC, very easy to work on. You don't have bolts for bolts like some of the other bikes do, so let's get crack-a-lacking. One thing I forgot to mention is that earth wire here, and I believe that should have been disconnected before we pulled this bad boy off, but whatever, let's get it off now. Here we have the O2 sensor with this crazy collar around the side. This should pop out, and we need to get a deep socket to get this bad boy out. Sometimes the exhaust gaskets can be reused. This one doesn't look like it's in too bad of a condition, but decided to get a new one anyway, just to be on the safe side. The last thing we want is an exhaust leak here. So, exhaust seal game is strong. Okay, run into a small problem here. While this collar is on the O2 sensor, I cannot tighten this bolt here. I'm going to have to pull it out and then put it on afterwards, after tightening that up. We've made sure that the rubber meets this part here. We're not going to tighten it up now, we're just going to keep a mental note. We're going to make sure that we're aware of where this lands. What we're going to do now is put the exhaust on. It's the time we've all been waiting for. Let's hook this bad boy up, huh? Check it out. It's finally fitted. Finally fitted. Oh, I've not turned it on yet. I just tightened up the last of the bolts. Yeah, we are good. We are good right now. We are good for a party. We've still got the baffle in at the moment. I'm going to take that out. Okay guys, baffles are out. Baffles are out. Yes. Yes. it's got like such a deep fucking roar to it. I don't know if you're hearing it very well, but holy shit. Like when it comes to exhaust upgrades, do not go half-assed, because you'll spend the money going halfway and regret it. And then you'll want the full membership. Tunnel rev! Yes! You need to change that damn exhaust. Get a better one like that.